All right, so today in the shop, we've got the AMC Eagle. We drove the AMC, or attempted to drive the AMC to the shop the other day, and found the engine was low on oil. So we took it back home because it was starting to tick a little bit, and put some more oil in it. So yeah, it'll be fine. Well, we tried to drive it to the shop the next day, and it was getting like a metal to metal grinding sound coming from the engine. So pulled the dipstick, and there's some flakes, some tiny flakes in there. So I have a spare engine. We're gonna swap it out just so we can get this thing back rolling again and get some videos out to you. And so that's what we're gonna start working on right now. All right, so today is Saturday. We're gonna see if we can make this thing run today. We got the transmission mounted to the engine. I still gotta do torque converter bolts, and we're just getting ready to finish installing the intake. Get the grounds and wiring and stuff in the back of the engine. So yeah, I think it's moving right along. I still gotta do exhaust, a couple things underneath. Radiator, stuff like that. So there's a good chance it'll run today. There are some things I wanted to change from the original setup, so we'll see how far in that takes me, because usually once I find one thing I want to change, I'm like, oh, why don't we change that? Why don't we go and do that since we're there, right? Because you should. So yeah, we're gonna hop on this, and hopefully it is running and driving by the end of the day. Good morning, Sunday morning. So we got the car running yesterday. Great. Radiator leaks, bad. But we're gonna go ahead and button everything up. Put the hood back on. I had to cut that crossbar out because I don't have the connectors in. And I still don't have them. So we're gonna weld that crossbar back in between the shock hoops in the front. And then probably fill it with coolant, even though it's gonna leak out, so I can at least drive it back home and start working on the next project. So let's get hood installed, bar welded, drive it home. All right, it only took me like 9 hours. Unfortunately, there's a couple of small leaks, whatever. The radiator has a hole in it, so I'm gonna have to replace the radiator. I tried to start it, did not sound good. I had a feeling I needed to swap the crankshaft position sensor. The one on here did not look good. Mine is fairly new, so I swapped it out. And yeah, here, I'll show you. Uh-oh. I need more juice. Okay, I got it. What the hell? There, it's running. All right, good morning. It's Sunday morning. So we got the car running yesterday. Great. Radiator leaks, bad. But we're gonna go ahead and button everything up. Put the hood back on. I had to cut that crossbar out because I don't have the connectors in. And I still don't have them. So we're gonna weld that crossbar back in between the shock hoops in the front. And then probably fill it with coolant, even though it's gonna leak out, so I can at least drive it back home and start working on the next project. So let's get hood installed, bar welded, driving home.
On my knuckles, blue under my nails. Saturday dawn to a pile of old parts. Fender of a raincoat on the seat. I spent all weekend making dead things start. New hose, new belt, one stubborn bolt. Crawled under there till the moon came up. Beer on the bench and a busted light, but I kept turning, I never gave up.